Okay, and they have a solve Leetcode graph valid tree. Basically, I'm a variable n, in this case 5, and I'm a list of edges. And I want you to determine, say, that combination of n way and a list of edges now, it forms a valid tree, right? Inti, let's look at, the way at here. Edges near the amount 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, and a 1, 4. Right. Yan hwɛ sɛ yɛbɛtumi represent this in a graph. First, you 0, 0 core, 0, and a 0 core 2, 0 core 1, 0 core 2, 0 core 3, and a 1 core 4. Right. For a graph to be a valid graph, for a tree to be a valid tree, two main conditions must be satisfied. The first condition, is a node must be equal to edges plus 1. We say no share edges now. 1, 2, 3, 4. So edges is 4. Nodes no. We have designed here, and we can just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1. So this condition is satisfied here, right? And how are we going to programmatically establish this rule? First of all, you see determine number of edges, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. You see determine the number of edges now. To we find number of edges, not the number of edges, not plus 1 is equal to number of nodes. And then we can also count the number of nodes. If we traverse this graph, we can count the number of nodes and establish this relationship. Right, there is another example. Biwahanum say, and say, interesting example. Maybe 20. So yes, another example. Near ABI amount n is equal to 5. In amount 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, and a 1, 4. And here you see we can represent that in graph. You 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 1 goes to 3, 1 goes to 3, and 1 goes to 4. Right. Nodes no 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So nodes 5. Edges near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just say 5 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5, is equal to 6. This is not true, right? And right from here, you need to mark and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. if the number of edges plus 1 is greater than this, the condition is not satisfied. So let's go and see how we can represent that in code. So first, if n is not equal to length of edges plus 1, return false. Okay. Into the next is the form adjacency list. So we can use that to traverse the graph. Into for x, y in edges, graph x dot append y, graph y dot append x. Into a simple DFS traversal, we need a q is equal to the q. We can start from any node and we choose to start from 0. If you're starting from that node, we can set the scene as 0 as well. So while q node is equal to q dot pop left, and for each neighbor in graph node, if neighbor not in scene dot add neighbor q dot append neighbor. Until at this point, node BR that we have seen should be in the list. It is here, I'm going to check here, just returning that length of scene is equal to n. First condition must be satisfied. If that condition is satisfied, we also have to confirm that the number of nodes in the graph actually corresponds to this. So let's see, say correct. Right. So yes, this is how you solve this Leetcode premium question graph valid tree. Okay. Bye bye.